When Raja retired, she received a $760,000 lump sum retirement package. She wants to invest this amount in two accounts. The first account pays 4% simple interest, and the second account pays 7% simple interest. Raja wants to earn $47,500 per year in interest to live on. Part A asks us to write a system of equations that will help Raja find the amount she should invest in each account. So let's just say that let's call A the amount invested at 4%. Since we don't know, there's two quantities we don't know, and that's how much is invested in the first account and how much is invested in the second account. Let's say that A is the amount invested at 4%, and B is the amount invested at 7%. Now, we know that the total amount invested is $760,000. So therefore, we know that A plus B is equal to 760,000. We also know that she wants to earn $47,500 per year in interest. Now, we are told that she earns simple interest, and so hopefully you might recall that simple interest has the following formula. Simple interest is given by principal times rate times time. Now, since we want to earn $47,500 per year, we know that T is equal to 1. So, for our problem, the interest earned is just the principal times the rate. Now, the principal is the amount invested, which is either A or B. The rate is the percentages earned, so 4% and 7%. So, in terms of the interest, we would have A times 0.04 plus B times 0.07, and the total interest earned must be $47,500. So there is a system of equations, and we can clean up that second equation a little bit. So we have, let's see, we have A plus B is 760,000, and then we would usually write that as 0.04A plus 0.07B is equal to 47,500. So there's our system of equations. How much should Raja invest in each account to earn the $47,500 she wants each year? So to figure that out, we need to solve the system. To solve this system, I'm going to use the substitution method, and although there's no variable that's already isolated, this first equation can easily be rewritten, and that comma's in the wrong place. It should be here. This equation could easily be written as, say, B is equal to 760,000 minus A. I just subtracted the A from both sides. So I'm going to take that 760,000 minus A, and I'll use it to replace the B in the other equation, yielding 0.04A plus 0.07 by, notice how I'm using parentheses now for the substitution, 760,000 minus A is equal to 47,500. Applying the distributive property, 0.04A, let's see, 0.07 times 760,000 is so plus 53,200 minus 0.07a is equal to 47,500. I'll subtract the 53,200 from both sides. And simplifying the left-hand side, I would have a negative 0.03a. And on the right-hand side, I have 47,500 minus 53,200 is negative 5,700. And dividing by the negative 0.03, gives 190,000. So A is 190,000, and then B would be 760,000 minus 190,000. So then 760,000 minus 190,000 would be 570,000. So A is 190,000, B is 570,000. Conclusion: Raja should invest $190,000 in the account paying 4%, and $570,000 in the account paying 7%.